Today, we received a 2019 BMW 5 Series with a rough idle during cold start. The customer did not have professional diagnostic equipment nearby and couldn't solve the issue by himself, so he came to us for an engine issue upgrade. This is exactly where Launch SmartLink comes into play. First, connect to the vehicle, select the BMW model, and connect the S15C. Next, read the ECU. After the reading is completed, click Calculate. Once the calculation is finished, reconnect to the vehicle. Select the model again. Read the vehicle order FA data. Then, read the ECU and complete the calculation once more. After the calculation is completed, save the data. Next, start programming. Wait until the progress bar reaches 100% and the programming process will be completed. Finally, enter the DTC reading interface and clear the fault codes. The repair is now complete. The engine is like the brain of the vehicle. The manufacturer continuously optimizes its control logic and releases updated software versions. Older software versions may not control the engine precisely enough, which can cause rough idle issues. After upgrading to the latest version, the engine runs smoothly again. And just like that, the problem was solved with the help of SmartLink. With SmartLink, distance is no longer a limitation. As long as there's an internet connection, problems can be solved easily from anywhere.